Bakit nga ba magandang mag-invest ng property sa Cavite, house and lot or condo man yan? Cavite is very progressive and close to Metro Manila. At dahil sa mga developments na ginagawa rito, tulad na lang ng LRT1 Cavite Extension Project na nagmumula sa Zapote Neon Station. Mapapabilis na ang travel time mula Cavite papuntang Pasay, Naiya Airport, and other several major cities including Quezon City, Caloocan, and Metro Manila. The Calax Expressway ay partially operational, controlled access toll expressway sa mga probinsya ng Cavite at Laguna. The project will start from Cavitex in Kawit, Cavite and end at the SLEX Mamplasan Interchange in Biñan, Laguna. The Calax project will help promote the Calabarzon region as a preferred destination for investment and growth. Magkakaroon na rin tayo ng airport sa Cavite at ito ay ang Sanley Point International Airport. Its primary goal is to address the congestion of travelers in the Naiya. Its vision is to become a fully modernized and world-class airport. Another road infrastructure to look forward to is the Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge. This bridge will connect the Bataan to Cavite. Mula 5 hours, mapapaikli na sa around 40 minutes ang travel time from Cavite to Bataan. Besides the shortened travel time, once the project is completed, you can make your trip enjoyable as you appreciate the scenery as you pass over Manila Bay and the breathtaking tourist spot in both Cavite and Bataan. Next is an infrastructure na makakatulong upang mapaikli ang travel time sa Cavite at Batangas, the Cavite-Tagaytay-Batangas Expressway. This will extend sa iba't ibang rural areas sa Cavite tulad ng Silang, Aguinaldo, Amadeo, Mendez, Alfonso, Magallanes, Cavite at Nasugbo, Batangas. Dahil sa mga infrastructures at development na ito, maraming investors at business owners na magkaka-interes pa sa mabilis na lumalagong business hub sa Cavite. At baka ito na rin ang sign para magtayo ng business or bumili ng property sa Cavite.